TOEFL Listen and Repeat Practice. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen once, wait through the pause, and repeat after the beep. The campus shuttle leaves every 10 minutes. Please bring your student card to the desk. The advisor explains the schedule before lunch today. Students can reserve quiet rooms through the library website. Please review the safety instructions before starting the lab. Although the workshop is optional, most new students find the practice session helpful. If your appointment time changes, contact the office before you make other travel plans. Practice complete. Replay the video and try to match the exact words, stress, and rhythm.